What if everything we've been taught about mistakes is wrong? What if the very thing we strive to avoid, the deviation from perfection, is not a flaw, but the fundamental engine of all progress, all discovery, all life itself? We are conditioned to see error as failure, as something to be corrected, hidden, or feared. But what if error is not the opposite of success, but its indispensable partner? What if it's the universe's most potent teacher? At its core, an error is simply a difference between an expected outcome and what actually happens. It's a signal, a piece of information that tells us something isn't quite right, or perhaps something is unexpectedly more right. It's the universe whispering, "Pay attention." Consider the history of science. Alexander Fleming wasn't looking for penicillin, he was looking for a cure for influenza. His mistake was leaving a petri dish uncovered, allowing mold to contaminate his bacterial culture. That mold, a simple error, led to the greatest medical breakthrough of the 20th century. Wilhelm Röntgen, experimenting with cathode rays, noticed a fluorescent screen glowing across the room. This unexpected glow, an anomaly, an error in his expected results, led to the discovery of X-rays, revolutionizing medicine and physics. Percy Spencer, a radar engineer, noticed a chocolate bar melting in his pocket while working on a magnetron. This error in his personal comfort led to the invention of the microwave oven. These weren't failures, they were observations of the unexpected. They were moments where an error became a doorway to a new understanding. But the power of error extends far beyond human ingenuity. Look at life itself. Evolution, the grand architect of all species, operates on the principle of error. Genetic mutations are, by definition, errors in the replication of DNA. Yet these very errors introduce variation, allowing species to adapt, to thrive, and to evolve into the incredible diversity we see today. Without these mistakes, life would stagnate. In our own lives, we learn through a constant process of trial and error. A child learning to walk falls countless times. Each fall is an error, a piece of feedback that refines balance and coordination. A musician practices a difficult piece, hitting wrong notes repeatedly until muscle memory takes over. An entrepreneur launches a product that fails, learning invaluable lessons that inform their next successful venture. The fear of making mistakes often paralyzes us, preventing us from taking risks, from exploring new ideas, from truly living. We chase an illusion of perfection, unaware that perfection, by its very nature, is static and sterile. It offers no room for growth, no opportunity for discovery. The most robust systems, whether biological, technological, or social, are not those that eliminate error, but those that are designed to detect, learn from, and adapt to it. Our immune system, for instance, constantly makes errors in identifying threats, but its ability to learn and remember makes it incredibly effective. The surprising truth is that error is not an exception to the rule of progress. It is the rule. It is the fundamental mechanism by which information is generated, by which systems adapt, and by which the universe itself explores its vast potential. From the quantum fluctuations that may have seeded the cosmos to the daily missteps that refine our character, error is the silent, persistent force driving everything forward. So what if we stopped fearing error and started embracing it? What if we saw every deviation, every unexpected outcome, not as a setback but as an invitation to learn, to adapt, to innovate, and to discover the profound, beautiful, and often messy truth that lies just beyond our expectations? Perhaps the greatest error we can make is to believe that we can ever truly avoid them.